It's Adam cooking Commando. We got chicken thighs, canned diced tomato, petite cream of chicken soup, sliced purple onion, and honey barbecue potato chips, and French's crisp onions. I invented this recipe. I don't know how much temperature to cook it on, and I don't know how long to cook it, and we'll see how it comes out. Look, here's my stroke look. Hey. I used to pretend like I had a stroke when I was a kid. Someday I'll probably have one. That's not good. Hi, this is my kitten. Yeah, I'm the kitten. So let's talk to the people out there, kitten. Okay, let's talk. I love you. What? Tell them what you think about Donald Trump and the food stamps. Can you hear your heartbeat? Meow. Look who has a cuter mustache. Meow, meow. This whole house is its play yard. This isn't our kitten. We're just babysitting. Hey! Get your mustache like mine. Show everybody you have a spine. You like your lemon with the rind. It's the kind. If you like clementine. Hello there! Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count to 2. 1, 2. Let's count to 1. I'm done. Do you like some rum? Are you a bum? Do you like to lie out in the sun? It's fun. Are you done? I like my hamburger on a bun. I do run. I do run, son. All right, let's talk about rhyming. I got some paper towels. I wipe my butt after I clear my bowels. And then I like to get a towel. And I like my wood dowels. Okay? I can